What's going on, guys? In today's topic and video, we're going to be going over having a 100-day goal or a 100-day target. Now listen, I'm going to tell you, for me right now, that's what I'm currently focused on. Today was day one on my next 100 days. And guys, if you haven't already, which most of you probably haven't, I don't know how popular this little journal is, but you need to go check it out. It's called the 100-day Goal Journal. And it's by John Lee Dumas. So yeah, go check this out. You can get this at Barnes & Noble. I'm sure you can order it online, but it's a really cool little 100-day journal. It just allows you to break your goals down, but it's you want to only focus on one target, one goal. Now the challenge is, a lot of times for business owners and entrepreneurs, is there's all these different plates that we're spinning at one time, right? There's so many different variables that are happening, there's so many different things that are going on, and as you're experiencing those, it's easy sometimes to get off track and to lose focus. So for me personally, this little journal right here is going to be a big game changer for me, and I already feel mentally a little bit more focused and a little bit more clear than I have been just recently, just because there's all kinds of stuff that happens in a business with an organization when you have a team and you have different people that are working with you to help you achieve your goals. So listen, guys, if you haven't already, take these next 100 days, set one target, one goal, and then allow yourself to break it up into 10-day chunks. And that's exactly what this little journal right here allows you to do. You could break that 100 days into 10-day increments, and it just kind of allows things to seem a little bit more simplistic. And not only that, allows you to take a step-by-step approach without being overwhelmed and just freaked out by all the different information and details that go along with achieving a big target or a big goal. But set a big goal, set a big target, make sure it's something that excites you, something that you really want to achieve. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be business, it could be personal, it doesn't matter, family. But utilize that 100 days and then break them down into 10-day increments and see what you can accomplish every 10 days leading up to that 100th day when you accomplish your goal. So go check this out. It's a really awesome tool, and utilize it to the best of your ability. But guys, listen, what I'm going to do is throughout this process, I'll do some little videos updating you on my progress, on my process with the 100-day goal, and I hope it's helpful for you also. All right, guys, if you like this content, please like, share, subscribe, show me some love, give me some input. I'm really looking forward to doing more of these videos. It's been kind of a crazy past 6 weeks, so I haven't done as many videos as I probably need to, but my goal is to have 1,000 of these videos done by the end of 2020, and I have like a really, really long ways to go, but I'm gonna keep pumping out as much content as I can, because I know it's very helpful sometimes to hear from other people's perspectives. And I hope I can allow you to get some inspiration and some clarity on your journey. If you like this, like, share, subscribe, show me some love. Go have a great day.